Hello, welcome back. Let's continue. We are talking about how do we estimate median from a histogram. So this histogram is made from frequency density. You're supposed to estimate the median from the graph. The first thing you need to understand is that the area of each bar actually represents the frequency. Because if you look carefully, the height here is 0.6 and the width here is 15. If you multiply 15 by 0.6, you get exactly 9. The same, this height is 1.6. 1.6 times 10 gives you 16. So the area of the bars, as long as frequency density, represent what? The frequency. So we know that to work out the median, we need halfway. So we add the frequency, that gives you 60 frequency, divided by 2, because median means halfway. That gives you the 30th position. So we are looking for the 30th position in the bars. And you just have to do that by adding the frequency. So we know the frequencies are 9, 16, 25, and 10. We keep on adding it until where we have exactly 30. 9 plus 16 is 25. So we need 5 more. So which means there is somewhere here that we can split, and that will be 5, so you can add it 25. Now just remember, just understand area. The height here is 5. The width here is also 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Now if you split it into 4 and 1, you see 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5. So the blue bit is our 5 that we need to add to 25 to make 30. So therefore we get 30 up to this point. So to read out the median, exactly where you end is what you read. So you read this particular number, and that becomes your median. So our median is 86 kilograms. So it's just simply halfway. In our next slide, we'll be talking about how to do further estimation from histogram. Thank you for watching.